If there's one thing that keeps us sane, it's our ability to build routines. Without them, we'd constantly improvise and never have the consistency to shape our ideas, who we are, or the way we live. Once certain actions become part of our routine, repeating them for days, weeks, and months inevitably makes us better at them, to the point where we can become experts and learn how to get the most out of them. The same principle applies to AI. When we find a tool that works and use it consistently, eventually we understand exactly how it behaves and how to get the best possible results from it. The problem is that AI tools are constantly turning free options everyone can use into paid ones. That forces us to keep switching tools, so we never get the chance to truly master any of them. To solve that, I found 3 AI video generators that let you create very high-quality videos for free, as long as you follow the right steps. Today, I'll show you what they are, how to get the most out of each one, and which mistakes to avoid so they don't become useless. But new tools could launch tomorrow that are also worth mastering. If that happens, I'll make a video about them too, so if you don't want to miss it, remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a positive comment. It really helps us. I don't want to waste your time, so let's move quickly through each tool. The first one is Pika. You may already know it because it became very popular a while ago for the quality of the videos it generated, like the ones you can see here. In a moment, I'll give you all the links to every tool we're using today. The interesting part is that Pika has added a feature that, once you sign in, lets you use the model shown here for free. That makes this the perfect time to learn how to use it properly. Once you're inside, it's very easy to use. The first thing you'll see is the inspiration section. You can click any of the videos there to see the prompts used to create them, and you can even copy the images or download the videos to create your own content with them. But making something from scratch is just as simple. Enter a prompt here, then use the settings to choose any aspect ratio you need for any of these platforms and select the duration. As you can see, this error appears here. Fortunately, there's a way to fix it, and I'll show you later. Once we submit it, the video will be ready a few seconds later. The quality is really good. This isn't the typical free tool that gives you low-quality videos. Even so, I don't think it's the best of the 3 AI video generators we're looking at today. It also has many more features, including the ability to add an image. To create that image, I'm going to give you one extra AI tool, separate from the 2 free video tools we still have to cover, Meta AI. You'll find all the links to the AI tools we use today, along with every prompt, on my website in the description. At the end of the video, I'll show you exactly where to get everything. You can access it all for free, and you'll also find other AI tools there that may interest you. Once you're inside Meta AI, open a new chat, click Create Image, and start entering your prompts. Always include the aspect ratio. In this case, use 16:9 so the image is horizontal, and keep trying until you get the image you need. Download it, go back to Pika, and upload it as a file. Remember, we're going to solve that issue later. Add your prompt, and within seconds, the video is ready. This time, we control exactly how everything looks because we created the starting image ourselves. Remember to sign in for the platform to work. You can use a Google account, for example. Now let's move to Vidu. It has a particularly useful option for creating all kinds of videos. Start by clicking Claim Now on every option that appears here, because those free generations are what we'll use to create the videos. The most useful option is this one, because simply using the platform gives us more video generations. But if you don't want to keep doing this, or you get the error shown here, I'll also show you how to solve it later. The fix is the same as with the previous tool. Go to Image to Video, and you'll see free generations available with the platform's most powerful models. Create your images with Meta AI, upload the one you want to use here, add a prompt, and choose the configuration that works best for you. For this example, I'm using this configuration. Now generate the video with a model that would normally require payment, but the platform is letting us use it for free. You can combine Vidu with Pika to generate even more videos. There are also quite a few more options for generating free videos on this platform. As you can see, we've already received some free generations. But if we open this list, you'll see that using this model gives us even more. Go to this section and select this model. The generations we claimed earlier let us use it for free, and using it earns us additional generations on top of that. That's the key to this platform. Generate everything you need, but choose the right models and you'll keep earning more generations. If this error pops up, I'll show you how to solve it in a minute. I've been reading your comments, and you often ask for even higher quality videos and longer generations, with videos up to 15 or even 30 seconds long. So as an extra, before we look at the third tool, I want to show you what I consider the best AI video generator available right now. I'm talking about Higgsfield. Inside this platform, we have access to some of the best AI models available right now. And of course, one of them is the new Seedance 2.5, which lets us create videos up to 30 seconds long with scene changes, camera changes, and pretty much anything else we need. To use it, we go to the image section, because with this model, we can upload up to 30 references, whether that's images, videos, or audio, so it can turn them into a single video. And since we already have multiple models here, without having to pay for several different subscriptions, we can also use them to generate several images at once, as you can see. Once we have one that catches our attention, we click it, and then click Turn to Video. That takes us to the video section, where we can choose the Seedance 2.5 model. Then, we select our image again, add a prompt, and as you can see, we can increase the video duration up to 30 seconds. If we generate it, we'll get incredible quality. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. The final free AI video tool I want to show you is Magic Hour. It's very straightforward. Creating an account gives you free generations, and every day you come back, you'll get even more. If this error appears, we'll fix it in a moment. Go to the video section and choose Image to Video. Out of all the available models, I recommend the one shown here. You can also try version 1.2, which is very good. Create your images in Meta AI. Image generation there is free, and the images have no watermark. Then bring them into Magic Hour. Upload one as the reference image, add a prompt, and use this configuration. With this setup, you can generate up to 5 videos. And remember, you'll get more free generations every day. The issues we saw in all 3 free video tools have the same fix. Click this button here, then click this one. As you can see, the option is in the same place on all 3 platforms. Then repeat the steps from the beginning, and that's it. The error will be fixed. If you have any other questions, the PDF guide for this video also includes more detailed written instructions for fixing any errors that may come up. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.